it's Alli from Glamour Glow Academy. Let's talk about life, work, and balance. And I don't have an answer for you on this one. It is a struggle. It's a struggle for me still. I have 4 children, and one of them is special needs and requires a lot of care. And I have a business where I work full time, and I travel a lot for my work as well. And it is a struggle. It's difficult. I manage it because I adore what I do, and I have the support of my family. So having support from your spouse and your children, it's really important, because without that, it's not going to work. It's definitely a struggle. Everybody's got to cooperate together. They understand what I do, they value what I do, and for me, that's what makes our family work. Editing and work time also, you need to kind of schedule that instead of just kind of winging it. So what I would suggest you do is work specific hours in the studio, and also set aside so many hours in a day that you are going to edit, and really try not to go over that time, because life is short, and if you have little ones, they're going to grow really quick, and you're going to look back and wonder where you were, and you don't want to have those regrets. It's honestly not worth it. If you enjoyed this tip, I'd love to see you at glamourglowacademy.com, where we have many more things for you to learn and grow as a photographer.